guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is ShardeMarie. If you are new here, welcome. And in today's video, we are doing my November BoxyCharm unboxing. I already looked in the box. I already see what I already have, and I'm excited to test these items out. So if you are excited or curious to see what I received in my box for this month, then continue to keep watching. Okay guys, so this month is very skincare heavy. I only have one makeup item, but the theme of this box is called Invite Only. And as you can see down here, BoxyCharm is having a holiday blowout sale where a lot of their items up to 80% off, and you also receive a free gift over $40 off of one transaction. So if you are in the market for some new makeup, skincare, hair tools, whatever you need beauty-wise, I would say go to BoxyCharm.com and check out their site to pick up some items. So yeah, that's exciting. So let's dig into my box of goodies. The first thing that I have here is the Glow on Fifth Beauty Refresh and Reset Brightening Mud Mask. This is a new launch, and this says dull uneven skin has finally met its match. Brighten your skin's natural radiance by using the Ginger Mud Mask, which I'm excited to use. Infused with ginger root and taurine to re-energize skin and minimize fatigue, boost circulation, and help with rehydration. You use this 1 to 3 times per week and enjoy the gift of instantly radiant skin. And this retails for $30. And for those who care, this is formulated for all skin types. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free. So I'm excited to test this out. I might use this later on tonight or maybe tomorrow for my Sunday self-care day, and I'll let you guys know in future videos how I feel about this. I already have a mud mask, but it's a charcoal one, so for this to be a brightening one, because as you guys know, I'm trying to lighten up and get rid of my dark marks on my face, so I'm excited to try this. Next in our box is something that I've been seeing go around social media since the pandemic started, so I'm excited to finally get my hands on this. This is from AM&H Skincare Unicorn Dreams Whipped Body Butter. And I know there's other brands that had like this type of whipped body butter, unicorn type of style, but you know, I just never got on the trend to do it, but I'm so happy to have one now. It is formulated with coconut oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter, and vitamin E. It's gluten-free, cruelty-free. I can't see what the other frees are, but they're free. And this is really recommended to use after you get out the shower, but I'm ready to test it out now. And this retails for $20, and it smells like cotton candy. I can smell the packaging. I can smell how the scent went through the packaging. It smells like cotton candy. So this is what it looks like when you open it up, and I'm gonna put it on my dry behind hands. Ooh, it's kind of tough. So I have this little bit. Yeah, very smooth, very, I can feel the oils in it. But the crazy thing is, it smells like cotton candy right now, but then when you put it on your skin, it sort of kind of has like a slight, musky smell as well. So you won't be walking around smelling like cotton candy the whole time. I think it's just in the packaging at this moment in time, but like I said, it's meant for you to use after you get out the shower. But I just really wanted to test it out, and I'm so happy to have a new body butter because I'm running low on another one that I have. So I'm excited for this. Alright, so next thing in the item, the next thing in the box is a toner. This is from the brand Glow Aces, and this is a new brand to BoxyCharm. It is the Milk Dew pH Balanced Moisture Milk Toner. So this is the outside packaging, very sleek, very nice, with the nude and with a brown and coral color. And then this is what the toner looks like. I already cleansed my face. I haven't toned or did anything else. I'm going to do that on camera with you guys. And this retails for $34. And also, again, if you are curious, it's vegan, clean, and effective. It has no phthalates, no nasties, no artificial coloring, and no something that I cannot pronounce. And it has vegan prebiotics with prickly pear extract. So I got my handy dandy cotton pad, because you can use a cotton pad or you can put it on using your hands. I just prefer a cotton pad. It's more sanitary in my opinion. So let's test this out. Okay, so the smell of this, it has a slight minty smell, but it's not nothing overpowering for those who might have like sensitive skin. I think you still will be able to use it. Okay, I still had a little bit of dirt on my skin, but it looked like it got it off really well. My face feels very cooling and whatnot. It's a toner, so I'm not really sure exactly what toners are supposed to do, but if you pat it in, I'm gonna let it absorb into my skin for, you know, a minute or two, and then we can move on to the rest of the skincare. I have a skincare routine up on my channel in a short and in a regular type of video, so if you want to know what products I'm using, then you can reference that video. I'm going to speed up this portion just so we can move on to the rest of the video. Okay, so skincare is done. So next thing that we have in our box is from a brand called Trust Fund Beauty. It is a better than therapy lip oil. Is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and 10-free. I'm assuming like 10 ingredients that is bad is free from that, and it is gluten-free as well. Oh, I already said that, gluten-free. Yeah, it's made without like 10 ingredients that I guess is bad for your skin, for your lips, or whatever. So let's open this up, and this retails for $18. I'm not sure if I told you how much the toner costs. The toner costs $34. So this is what the lip oil looks like. So it's a clear lip oil, but it do have like some gold flecks in it, but nothing crazy where it's going to be like gold. It feels like not going to have like gold flecks all over your lips or something like that. So this is the dope put out applicator. Doesn't really have a smell. So for those who, again, are sensitive to smell, that should be good for you. But look how juicy and moisturized my lips look. Like I said, you don't really see the gold flecks, but you can see that the flecks help accentuate your lips. If you are running out the house and you just need to put something on your lips, I think this is perfect. And like I said, this only retails for $18. I mean, it's a little steep, but I still think it's affordable. So yeah. And last but not least in the box, we have a foundation stick. Now this is my fault. This is my fault. So when I picked the item that I wanted in my box, I chose the foundation stick because, as you guys know, I use the same foundations all the time. So I wanted to try a new foundation. I never heard of this brand before, so I wanted to test it out. So when I picked out my color, the color above it, I thought it wasn't going to be my color, so I chose this one. I got the color Copacabana Chestnut, and it is for dark skin with warm undertones. So obviously I'm not in that category. I'm a medium deep or a medium tan category, but this is the packaging of it. It looks like a pencil, and you open it up this way and you twist it up, and then you do the whole swiping motion. Editing Sade here. So I just wanted to say that I just realized on the foundation stick that there is a sponge on the other end. So when you take off the top, it's kind of hard to take off though, because I don't want to mess up the thing, but it has the sponge on the other end. So this is also good for you to take on the go as well, to do touch-ups if you're out and about. So I thought that was exciting. You can also get this part refilled as well. If your sponge is starting to get a little bit too dirty, you can also refill that part. So I just wanted to throw that in there. So back to the video. Unfortunately, because I know this is not my skin tone, not even close to it, I'm going to use this more for a contour stick than a foundation stick, but we still going to test it out and see how it glides, how it blends, and all that good stuff. Let me give you the specs on this. Can't talk. It is a innovative zero waste system made from recycled materials, clean, sustainable beauty, better for you and the planet. And the best thing about this, you can always refill your component after you're done with the foundation. I'm gonna try to leave that down below, but if you order it, they have a QR code in here that you can scan on your phone that tells you how you can refill your packaging, and this retails for $30, and this is a new launch. So, oh, also, before we get into the makeup, this also helps protect against the harmful effects of blue light. So for us girls who are always in front of the camera, or who we're always in front of our computers or our phones, this helps protect against blue light. So yeah, let me do majority of my face, and then I'll be back to test out the foundation. Okay guys, so this is where we at so far with the makeup. I got concealer on, my foundation, my eyeshadow is basically done. So now it's time to test out the foundation stick. So twist it up and y'all see it? And with my foundation, it's sort of kind of blending in, but it glides on very smoothly. There's no issues with it looking too muddy, so that's a plus. So this is a medium coverage foundation. So if you get your correct foundation shade, if you decide to purchase it, to let you know this is medium coverage, not a full coverage foundation. That's why I went with a medium foundation as my base, so it can sort of blend in together. But yeah, so that's what that looks like. Oops. So it does get a little messy, just a smidge. I'm gonna do my nose contour first. Okay, so first impressions, it glided on the skin super seamlessly, very blendable. It didn't really mesh in with my skin tone because obviously I got the wrong shade, but it also wasn't overly dark where it looks like I put a mud streak on my face. So this would be a very natural contour for me compared to how I normally have it, where I'm like really sculpted in the face, but it still gives me definition. It doesn't look overly, like I said, overly sculpted. So I really enjoy it. I really would like to use it as a normal foundation. So I'm gonna look into this and try to get my real shade. But I really do like it. I gotta see what the shade range is to see if it's really worth it. If it's a decent shade range, then you know I would suggest it. But if you just want to use this for contouring or for bronzer, I will also suggest it. But again, we have to see what the shade range looks like to see if it's really worth. How much was this again? The $30, because it is sort of kind of a high price foundation. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup off camera and then we'll be back to wrap up this video. Okay guys, so the makeup is done, so that means this is the end of the video. But before we do the calculations of everything that we received today, I do want to say that I did receive my item choice for my October box. This was my item choice that didn't get sent with my box. It got sent separately. So this is the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. I'm not sure how much it costs, but I'll have it listed down below with the rest of the items. But I'm so happy to have it. It's so pretty. I actually want to do a full face of Beauty Bakery makeup. It's black owned and the items look really pretty. So these are the 4 highlighters. You have Oh Honey, Queen Bean, Be Sweet, and Spoiler Alert. So today I used a Queen Bean all over the face, and then I used Be Sweet on the nose and the Cupid bow area. So yeah, I am excited to have this. So now let's get into how much the box costs for this month. So this month box retail for $132. You get full size items for only $25 if you do the base box. Then of course they have the premium box and they have the luxe box, but I just do the base box because the items that I have gotten so far minus 1 month, you're not going to talk about that month, minus that 1 month, have always been very good items. So you know, I'm happy with the base box that I have. And that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this month box, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notification, get notified when I upload my next video. We on the road to 1,000. I am 150 subscribers away from hitting my 1,000 subscriber goal, so it would be wonderful if you guys can help me out. So share with your friends, rewatch, subscribe again, you know, do all of the things. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.